Brace yourself! I'm going to put this on YouTube.
Quick reaction alert, air defence facilities from both this aircraft base
I need to get a lot of room though because I want a video of Spitfires and the Medaros too. Oh look, it's going to fly above our heads. Yeah, zoom him up. Oh, it's going very slow now. Oh, I like that sound. It sounds like a jet plane, doesn't it? Look how slow it's going. There's no rumble now because look how slow it's going. Oh. Next up, we've got the 3 Mustangs. Here they come. Sweet, got it on video. Now we've got the Sally B flying with the 3 Mustangs. Here they come. Yeah, there's a Sally B with the 3 Mustangs. There they go. Sally B's flying up. The other 3 are just flying together. So there goes the 3 Mustangs, and right on the top is Sally B. There we go. They're very fast. I'm doing it now. Right, now we've got 3 Spitfires, and one of the Spitfires was literally flew over Duxford since 1940, really back in time. And here they come, and here they go. The one in the front is the oldest Spitfire ever since it was here in the 1940s. And there they go. Right now, next up we've got the Blades. Here comes 2 of them together. There he is. And I watch these 2 as they go together. Ready? Whoa! There they go. And here comes another Blade. It's got a smoke on. Here he comes. There he is. Got it. There he is. Here he goes. Look, ready? And here we go. There we're gonna do. Ready? Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh man! Up they go. Oh. There they go. Oh. There they go. Nice. Now they're doing a big loop-a-loop formation. Here they go. Uh-oh, it's my jet plane. Oh, that was close. And there they go. Off they go. Got it. Right, there's a wind walker. And she's doing the oh, it's waving. Got him. You can see my hand waving. Look, Daddy's waving. Waving up. Wave. Go to the wind walkers. Got it. Now the skywalkers are going, which is a big wave, and here they are. Goodbye. That's it, everyone. Well, goodbye to the lovely wind walkers, and off they go. Right, now we've got the second to last ones. We've got the 2 Spitfires, the M9 and M11, and here they go. I did, and one of them said, "Thank you, NHS, if you all saw it." That's what my dad just told me. Here comes another Spitfire, he's waving at us. and he's finding somewhere to land. Oh, and he's waving, which is nice. It's a Spitfire, and if you look under its wings, you can just see a word saying, thank you NHS, which is 100% amazing for everyone to see, because literally in 2020 we couldn't have an air show because of a lockdown, and that's why that plane has literally made us so happy to say thank you to the NHS, and that was literally one of the most kindest things to ever do. And now he's literally going to come to us and we're going to wave to him. Dad, he's coming, you need to wave. And now the thank you NHS Spitfire, yeah, it's still videoing. And here comes the thank you NHS plane. Look at that, look, thank you NHS, that is amazing. And there he is. That is one of the best things I've ever seen. Saying thank you to the NHS, that is the most amazing thing I've ever seen. What a Spitfire. The camera's ready, go, right ready? Can you see them? Go to chair. Here they are, ready to go to Dad. I got them, ready? This is it! Red, white and blue! Woo! Cheer! Woo! Red, white, blue smoke to start off. Very nice. Maybe you need to stop it every now and then. Whoa, look! The date just rolled around them. Very nice. Got it, Dad. Dad, got it. They're rolling. I got it on video. Oh, they're going up high. Very smooth. Here we go. This is the detonator. Wait for the first ones. The first one's going. Right, you might. The next. Right, this one is scary. You might want to look away because this is scary. 3, 2, 1. Oh God! So I told you it's scary. Red. Oh wow! Stand back. Stand back. Oh my God, look at the heart, guys. It's amazing. Look at this, guys. It's the heart. That is amazing. Look at that heart, everyone. Insane. We're doing that. Look at that. A nice straight line formation. Look at that. So clever. Now the Madels are doing a nice colour blue to thanks for the NHS. Clap your hands, everyone! Thanking the NHS. What a nice one. What a nice NHS smoke with nice blue smoke. Oh, the Rolex. I'm videoing this one, Dad. Look at that. Oh, nice. Look at that. That is nice. Nice. Chippo break! Ready, Dad? This is more satisfying and scary. Oh God. Chippo break. Very nice. Crossbow. Here we go. Right, I'm gonna follow the one on the left. Ready? This is what's gonna happen. Ready? Oh! And there goes one with the blue smoke. Very nice. I'm videoing it. The python. Very nice.
Once more from the right and left, rolling out down the display line that passed 100 feet apart.
Ready? Ready, down, ready? Whoa, the colours are on. Oh look, get ready, look, we're going to switch their colours, ready? Dag, look, we're going to switch their colours, ready? Look, we're going to switch their colours, ready? Look, watch. Oh no, we didn't. White. Oh, then we're going again, but white. Then we're going again, white, ready? Oh, nice. Woo! So finale, the Vixen break. Vixen break, knew it. Ready? This is it, that big cheer, ready? Ready, big cheer? Ready? Woo! Vixen break, everyone!